Hey everyone, Terry Petzis here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and I'm standing on the corner lot of our newest home for sale at 36 Shipley Avenue in Newcastle, Ontario. Come check out the tour with me. Now inside the home, we've got a really nice quaint living room with a dine-in section as well, open concept with a gas fireplace and those south and east facing windows bringing in natural light. Now, as we enter the kitchen, we've got a nice spacious kitchen here with a nice window over the sink, bringing in natural light again. We've got plenty of cabinet space, a nice eat-in area potential, and you'll notice the large walkout right over here that just invites you out to that huge deck in the backyard with that huge corner lot backyard potential as well. Now, as we finish up on the main floor here, we've got 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms and the primary bedroom having that ensuite. Now you've also got your own walk into the garage access from the main floor. Now let's go check out the basement. So we're downstairs in the rec room right now. We've got a nice carpeted, cozy area for enjoying those TV nights, movie nights on a Friday. Perfect for the family. We've got 2 extra rooms that could be used as either bedrooms or office space or even any sort of guest suite as well, right? Now we've got a 3-piece bathroom down here as well, a little workout area and a nook just for the extra storage. And I'll meet you outside. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of our newest home for sale over here at 36 Shipley Avenue in Newcastle, Ontario. Again, I'm Terry Petsis, realtor with the Dan Plowman team. And if you have any questions or want to book a private viewing of this home, call the number above and we'll definitely help you out with that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale. Thanks again, and see you on the next one.